We are preparing wild duck and quickly sear it in that garlic.
Blue-winged duck is the smallest wild duck, but most delicious and true delicacy. You cannot buy this duck in any store. You have to be a hunter or to know a hunter. Now I am going to season duck breasts with a mixture of fenugreek herb, fenugreek seed, Chinese 5-spice, and cracked black pepper.
Searing duck breast from the other side, and I'm gonna add some bone demi-glaze. That's a venison demi-glaze made out bones. I got a little bit of honey, Thai hot peppers, and I'm gonna ready it before I will flambe. So now it's time also to add a little bit of Himalayan salt. Let's eat. Tasty, baby. Maybe I was not born with golden spoon in my mouth, but I retired with golden fork.